Good evening, everyone. We're here on a subdivision, and we're going to ask one security guard. His name is Mr. Albado. Timoy Albado. Good evening, sir. How was your day, sir?
I'm fine.
Do you have any children or siblings to raise?
Nothing.
Nothing. It is complicated to raise your family with their needs. Hirapan po ba kayo? Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yeah, how much is your monthly salary?
7,000 per month.
Why did you take the field of working as a security guard? Kasi po, pwede pong tagal.
Para makatulong sa aming kabata, kung pamilya, atikip sila at kailangan masukit yung katungkulan bisang Korea, kakalikasan mga tao sa mga bansa.
It is hard to handle in service with the public workplace. Mahirap po bang i-handle ito?
Hindi naman. Hindi naman mahirap.
Why?
How would you describe your family?
Masiyahin, mapamahal sa kapwa, taong at higit sa lahat mga nila.
Are you that enough glad on your choice, sir? Kaya po po kayo pinahangin yung
Yes,
Why?
I'm no
Why?
What's your hobby when you have enough time from your work? Yung ginagawa niyo, may oras pa kayo. Day off.
Kapag kami may day off, kami na mamahinga at kung minsan nagtatambak.
What early advice will you ask for the other security guards like you that are responsible for the public safety? Ano pong advice ko sa mga kapwa ng security?
Ang advice ko sa aking kapwa mga security na pagbutihin nila yung kanilang trabaho at sana matupan nila ang kanilang kasukulan bilang isang security.
Thank you for
Thank you, sir.
okay, sir. Thank you for the interview. Good evening and again, thank you. Thank you.
Guys.
God bless.